In every endeavor to promote Malabon, micro and small businesses walk with us in bringing our city's story to a wider stage.
Layunin namin na matulungan ang mga kapwa Malabueños na mga pagsimula ng sariling negosyo sa pamamagitan ng Resellers Program na simple, abot kaya at siguradong kikita sila.
Through their passion and creativity, they showcase Malabon's best to the world.
To our Ledipo partners, thank you for showcasing Malabon's creativity, flavors, and products. You bring pride to our city and let the world see what Malabon can offer.